All right, we are back another day here. Basically, this is View Us. So basically, you can go ahead and get started by uploading music shorts. Somebody has made over $1 million. Well, someone has probably made over 100, or maybe they paid out $1 million rather, from View Us music shorts. So you can make money from your own shorts by partner with different brands and sponsorships and things of that nature. Um, yeah, I guess it has to be your own shorts. So go ahead and click to get started, and it's going to walk you through all of the information, what you get to know in the services. So, um, yeah, it's going to take you through some information about that before you sign up. So you can sign up and register. You can submit your channel for review. Obviously, your YouTube channel or your TikTok channel or your Instagram. I don't think they specify which ones, but I've talked about a program similar to this before. So create the YouTube channel now before you sign up, and then submit any of your shorts for review. And then once you upload your music, um, and they distribute your music to different vendors and sponsorships and stuff like that, you will get detailed analytics of how much they're paying you and things of that nature, and keeps up. And then you can just monitor and and maintain your earnings all in this online website. So it's really a good way to make money. I would say maybe $100 to $200 a month if you're lucky. But some people take it to the extreme and they upload maybe 10, 15, or 50 shorts in a month. So if they do 50 times $200, you know, that's easily 10 grand a month if you do it right. Or you can make less than that. It just all depends on how willing you to pump out new material shorts with music in it to get advertisers to see it, or sponsorships to view your content or place ads over it and things of that nature. So you can then start making that money. Kind of the same way YouTube works, but it's just you get more money for your buck. Uh, that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.